What to expect in this video? Watch till the very end. In this video, I'll be looking at Tesla, so stick around. When we think of electric vehicles, the first car which comes into our mind is the Tesla. Tesla, which was founded in 2003, and the current CEO of the company is Elon Musk. Tesla's models such as the Model 3, the X, the S and the Y are some of the most quickest and coolest EVs in the world. Tesla has changed the idea of how fun and cool EVs could be with their interesting design elements. These cars come with one of the most innovative technologies and combines performance and practicality in a unique way. Tesla has been massive popular in America, and this brand is having massive fan base in India also. Now you must be wondering what the video is all about, right? So continue watching this video. As you see my YouTube analytics, if you like watching my video, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. In my earlier video, if you see, MGZ as electric vehicle has a range of 340 kilometers. I'll link that video in the right corner for you to watch it. The Tesla model claims a range of 355 kilometers. What sets Tesla cars different from other car manufacturers? For that, stay tuned and watch the entire video. In my research, I found that Tesla business model is far different compared to our standard automobile manufacturers. Direct sales. Unlike other car manufacturers who sell through franchise dealership, Tesla uses direct sales. By owning the sales channels, Tesla can gain advantage in terms of product development and even more customer experience. Service. Tesla has combined many sales centers with service centers. They believe that opening a service center in a new area corresponds to increased customer demand. Customers can charge or service their vehicles at the service centers or the Service Plus locations. Supercharge networks. Tesla has created its own network of superchargers stations across United States, places where drivers can fully charge their Teslas in about 30 minutes for free. Unless more stations similar to petrol pumps for EVs are created, mass adoption can be difficult, especially in the rural areas. Automotive industry consists of raw material suppliers, car manufacturers, car dealers, car buyers. Raw material suppliers supply raw materials such as aluminum, iron, plastic. These can be supplied by different suppliers. Now these are assembled by manufacturers and supplied to their dealership where the typical car buyer purchased their car. Now I haven't touched the aspect of research and development which goes into making the car. For this video, I'll be focusing only on these aspects. Now for better understanding, let's consider an Android device. Number 1, the device. Number 2, operating system. Number 3, Google services. So all these components make up your Android device. Since the device is created by companies like Samsung and Motorola, etc., and uses operating system which is made by Google and their services, this can primarily have its pros and cons. Now if you look at Apple, all this is designed and manufactured by Apple, and there are not many third-party components which make their devices more secure and powerful. How this translates into Tesla. Tesla follows the same principle. Everything required for the EV is being manufactured by Tesla, including the batteries. Tesla has been quite successful in America. 3 parts why Tesla has been so successful. First part is consumer experience. Tesla is fun to drive. They provide instant torque and with latest technology. It is also built with minimalistic design. Also, Tesla is the only EV which provide different sizes of battery. Now the second part, branding and marketing. Tesla has built their reputation in zero advertisements. Considerable new to the automotive industry, but has gradually become a regular household name. Quite frankly, Tesla has got a quite cool ring to it. Have you heard of this fellow? Most of the marketing success is because of their eccentric personality and larger-than-life CEO Elon Musk. Now if you follow the headlines, you will have heard of Elon Musk. Hence everything he does is indirect advertisement for Tesla. Tesla grows its fan base even in India. Tesla sells innovation, they sell progress and undoubtedly sell vision for how the car of the future should be, where the technology is used to improve our lives. Technology. Tesla pretty much the computer on wheels, software defined opposite to hardware. Best thing about software is that customers can customize it according to their preference, hence making customer experience more amazing. Software can be updated to fix bugs, feature updates such as lowering charging time, increasing the cruising time. You can also adjust the suspension using a software. Auto industry is dependent on the parts supply chain. Tesla manufactures most of the parts in-house. No dealership, no order parts from third-party vendors, there's no middleman. Since Tesla are software defined, EV vehicles have to be successful, they will have to follow a similar business model which Tesla has adopted. Car manufacturers will have to adopt an in-house manufacturing model. Legacy companies needs to partner with AI platform. We already see the partnership with Nvidia and Mercedes to make this vision come true. This will enable both car manufacturers and AI companies to merge their expertise. Hence, this will be beneficial for the future customers. Cars will become more software defined, thereby be more effective and efficient. On several occasions earlier, Elon Musk has revealed that he would like to bring Tesla to India, but in 2009's Twitter post, he told due to import duties extremely high, even for electric cars, this would make our cars unaffordable as a hurdle. On July 10th, a tweet which asked, "When is Tesla coming to India?" Elon's response was, "Should hopefully be soon." October 2nd, a Tesla Club tweet commented, and Elon's reply, "Next year for sure." Another tweet, Elon's reply was, "Thanks for waiting." October 5th, Tesla has shown interest to invest research in Innovation Center in Karnataka, and talks are at the preliminary stages. Now, as always, my final thoughts. Given India's restrictive policies and hike in CBU and CDK units, this can cause more delays. Tesla will have to set up a manufacturing unit in India to reduce the cost of their vehicles. Setting up Tesla gigafactories in India will definitely be a stepping stone into the Asian markets and will reduce their prices even further. Necessary EV infrastructure needed to be developed in India, such as more charging stations and etc. Tesla Model 3, which cost around $35,000, which is roughly 30 lakhs Indian rupees, which is quite expensive. In my personal opinion, Tesla should bring out an India-specific model, thereby reducing the price of their EV. As per the latest news, there has been talks going on with Tesla. We could expect something by next year. Maybe a definite plan when Tesla will be entering into the Indian market. Like how Kia and MG, which caused a stir in the Indian market, we could safely assume if Tesla plans and strategizes accordingly, it could become a common household name in India also. Now, if you've been enjoying my video, please do comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications.